Andrew Smith from KPMG in the UK. I lead our SAP spend management, which incorporates Ariba.
How crucial is it to explore those use cases and actually establish what you're looking to, the issues you may be looking to overcome before just diving in and going head first?
Yeah, there's a great, like the fail fast thing. And I think we've tested the water enough with prospects on that to say we've tuned and we've done it ourselves to go out to the market to say, was this going to help? We think it's going to help, but what do you think? So having the pilot customers, building up the use cases, building up obviously stories, and that's important with obviously KPMG as a consultancy, that we obviously have like innovations front of mind. How can we help business challenges and making a difference?
Is there a tendency from companies to kind of make that leap before they're perhaps ready to actually do so?
There's a few prerequisites with all of this, as you can imagine. So data and the categorization of data is key. And obviously there's external data sources that interact with SAP. We've got some partners, organizations, which SAP with ourselves, we've got relationships with. So you can't dive in and get the benefits. The AI will use the data. There's been quite a lot of chat about that already this morning. If you've not got a certain data set that then enables you to then take action. You're pulling information from one part of the Ariba solution, using external data sources, and coming out with a result impacting another part of the source to pay, the procurement process. But you do need to have done some maturity assessments. So we help clients not just with the implementation of the technology, but obviously to your point that you rightly mentioned about the readiness. From a business, obviously adoption, but data, obviously everything comes back to the data.
Absolutely, yeah, which is something I've been hearing a lot today, unsurprisingly. And then just finally, I'm just interested to get your thoughts on really what you've made of the event so far, and I guess how important it is to bring together SAP with its partners and customers in one place.
I think it's great, and it's great SAP that they accept the SAP solution. And I've been around working with SAP for 30 years. It's not all about the SAP solutions, or today it's a partner and how they will interact with the ecosystem and that. And they've acknowledged that, and I think more so. There's a huge potential for SAP, and we talked about the Gen Ariba as the next steps. And I think I've not heard people speaking from customers, not just about AI, about what it can bring to the future, or the now and the future. There's a lot of potential, and we're really, I think, only just touching the start of what's possible.